Black-headed python. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Subphylum, Vertebrata. Class, Reptilia. Order, Squamata. Suborder, Serpents. Family, Pythonidae. Genus, Aspidites. Species, Aspidites melanocephalus. Length, 1.5 to 2.0 meters. Weight, 16 kilograms. The black-headed python is a species of snake in the Pythonidae. The species is native to Australia. No subspecies are currently recognized. Geography. Countries, Australia. Regions, Northern Territory, Queensland, Western Australia. Biogeographical realms, Australasian. Habits and lifestyle. Lifestyle, fossorial, terrestrial. Diet and nutrition. They are carnivores. Their diet consists mainly of small mammals, birds, and lizards. Mating habits. Mating behavior, monogamy. Pregnancy duration, 2 months. Baby carrying, 8 to 18. Population. Population trend. Stable. Population status. Least concern, LC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment below to know your own view.